I'm about to do something I should have done a long time ago.
No, 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 no,
Who the fuck turned the music on? How the fuck do you... So I've had the HTC U11 for about an hour and a half now, and I've decided it's just not for me. I'm going to have to send it back. Just can't really get on with it. So finally managed to get into it, so let's take a look, shall we? Here we go. Look at how shiny she is, look at that. It's beautifully smooth. Look at the colour change on the back, that is beautiful. I actually think I'm in love with it already. Who the fuck keeps doing that?